Hello and thanks for joining me today. This video is about all the things I have packed for the cruise. Our cruise is now finished. I need to put all this stuff back into the suitcase. Well, this is what that's worked out really well for me this time. It's been a 7-day cruise, but 10 days in total because we stayed in a hotel for 3 days. This video is aimed at people from that are going to Europe, the European places. It's January at the moment, but some places like Mallorca have been really warm, and also where did we go the first place? Rome was really warm too. But anyway, this is what I've packed and I've used all of it and I'm very happy with it. So this video is not only for you, it's for me too, okay? Then I can watch it again and find out what did I pack. Okay. I went to Primark and I just got the standard t-shirts, short sleeve t-shirts, 1, 2, 3. This one is from Gothica, so I like this one. 4. So 4 t-shirts. Haven't need any more than that. I have washed them. Jeggings. They are like the very, very thin jeans. Also from Primark. Just because they were £8. I got 3 pairs of those. Okay. What else have I used? This is a polo neck, a very, very thin polo neck, black. So all the colours are either black or navy blue. This, the polo neck, I could wear it with a t-shirt over the top or underneath. And then I got the very, very thin long sleeve tops. One in like a petrol blue, one in black. Underwear. Now, these are the stretchy bras. Get them in a pack of 3. Sports bras. They haven't got a fasten at the back, which I think is really good because travelling, it's not very good having a clasp at the back. And so 1, 2, 3. And knickers from Sloggy because they wash really well. So 4 pairs of knickers, 4 bras, 4 pairs of socks for 10 days. So with all of this you can layer it all. I mean the jeans with a t-shirt, and I'll just show you the other things I've got here, which are, umbrella, very important. I've got a black fleece over there, that's a hooded black fleece, a very long grey cardigan, which I've worn a lot. This is a navy blue, very, very soft jumper dress. Yeah, so you can wear that over jeans. I didn't pack any dresses because nobody wears dresses here in Europe really on this cruise. I've got a very thin black pullover, so this could go with basically any of these t-shirts. And then sports things, so just starting with swimsuit, only 1, didn't need any more than that. 2 nighties, one of them you can wear as a top as well, it's a long t-shirt, pink nightie. And then I've got 1 fitness top, which is from Nike, it's just a running top, because you can do sports on this ship as well. The other thing is a swim top, because it was quite cold a couple of days. If you're going to swim outside or do the water slide, it's better if you got that on top of your swimsuit. And then fitness leggings, lycra type fitness leggings, a long one, a medium one, and 1 pair of shorts. So let's see, what can we do with this? Oh, and scarves. So these are from Erford, which I really like. It's a company from Denmark. They are silk, and this one is woolen silk. So let's just show you this. For example, this grey cardigan, sorry, with a nice scarf around it, t-shirt underneath, and a pair of the jeans on. That'll, you can blend in. That'll be fine for everything. The t-shirts you can wear, because they're so thin, do the onion effect, one on top of the other, and then maybe with the black pullover here on the top for colder days. The other things, I'm going to show you the shoes now. Slippers. These are just, I got these free in another hotel. I'm going to throw these in the bin now. A pair of Uggs, because it's cold in Germany. We flew from Germany to Madrid Madrid to Mallorca and carried on that way. A pair of leather Puma little ballerinas. Haven't really worn them. Possibly leave them at home next time. A pair of, these are from EMP, like gothic, they're like Converse things, and they match this top there. I have worn them. And a pair of trainers which got absolutely drenched today in Barcelona. Really, really wet. Oh, before you lot start moaning, there is a towel underneath here, it's not on the bed. And very important for Europe, a poncho. Yeah, poncho, really needed it today. I went to this brilliant shop, the Brompton Junction in Barcelona. Amazing shop, I absolutely loved it. Anyway, that's all that I brought. I've worn all of it, and I would bring this next time for another cruise. I used the packing cubes, which are these. So all this is going to go in there. And my suitcase will get picked up soon. And I just need to take a few clothes for tomorrow in my hand luggage. And then we're going to go for dinner. And that's all I've got at the moment. I will show you some really little handy things that I've learned and that I've brought with me that have been helpful this time. Anyway, I shall go now, and I'll leave you from the port of Barcelona. Not much to see. It's chucking it down. Alright then, hope that helps. Don't forget to give me a like, which is down here. Let me know in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.